Hey, how are ya? You know what day it is again? It's syrup day. And I'm just cutting up a pear. And I got these wonderful Portuguese pears. They're called Rocha pears. You want a sweet pear when you're making pear syrup. And this is a mixture of different things. I've got some sugar, I've got some honey, I've got some lemon, I've got some ginger, and I've got some rosemary we'll be using. First thing, you know, a lot of syrups use water, but I'm using some white wine. I got some leftover white wine. I'm not sure why it's leftover. But I'm gonna use a cup of white wine. I've got a 1-inch piece of organic ginger, and I've just chopped it up into little pieces here, and we're gonna throw that in. I've got some rock sugar here, about 1/2 cup, and I like using the rock sugar because it really doesn't add any extra flavors. We're gonna throw that in there too. I thought honey would be a nice little addition to this too, and I've got 1/2 cup of honey. Oh, look at that, look at that. I like honey. You like honey? Ah, honey's great. This is organic honey again. I know, me and my organics. You gotta do as much organic as possible because food isn't food anymore. Ah, I've got some nice lemon rinds. I'm gonna throw those in there. And we're gonna add a little bit of juice from the lemon. All right, maybe about a good tablespoon. I think that's about right. That looks good, okay. All right, let's stir this. It's just coming to a nice little simmer here. Smells sweet. Let's throw in our pears. Oh yeah, that's like 2 cups of pears. 2 cups is about 3 pears. And you can use any old pears you want. You just want like sweet ones, you know? Nice sweet ones. Go in that grocery store, grab a pear, take a bite out of it and say, no way, put it back, grab another one. I know this is an autumn kind of syrup we're making, but why wouldn't you use it all year round? When pears are in season anyway. We're at the last end of it. And we're gonna pop a lid on. Just a little bit off there. So what we wanna do now, oh, I almost forgot a really important ingredient. Oh my goodness. It's just sitting here staring at me. I got some fresh rosemary, and we're gonna throw that in there. Break her up, just throw her in. Oh, baby. Now we're cooking with fire or gas or something like that. And one final ingredient is some nutmeg, fresh nutmeg. That's gonna taste so good. You wait and see. How much? I don't know. That might be like a 1/2 teaspoon. Or a teaspoon? Nah, it's less than that. About a 1/2 teaspoon. Yeah. Pop a lid on. And just turn this down here to like a medium heat. And we're gonna simmer it for about 20 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm gonna go pour myself a drink and I'll see you then. Well, it's been 20 minutes now, and I got a drink, and I gotta check my sauce here. I just wanna try it. Oh, that's pears. Pears and rose. Pairs really well with this cocktail. Let me tell you, I'm not gonna tell you what the name is of this. You have to go to Patreon. And it'll be featured in an upcoming newsletter there on Patreon. And it's exclusive to our patron members. So check it out. Go there now. Well, no, let me finish this video first. Okay. Check it out. Oh yeah, those pears are soft. Yeah, we're ready to go. So all we want to do now is turn our stove off. Pop a lid on it and wait till it cools to room temperature. So in the meantime, I'm gonna finish this and probably pour another one. I'll see you then. Well, our mixture is cooled down and I got myself another drink. All we want to do is bottle this now. I'm just going to strain it out into our measuring cup here initially, because it's easier to pour. Oh, look at that syrup. That looks absolutely wonderful. Oh yeah. Let's get it all out. Good enough. All right, and all we want to do is strain it into our little jar here. You know, I didn't mash those pears because it'll be a lot cloudier than it is if I were to do that. And you don't get a lot because this syrup is really concentrated. And that's what you want for your cocktails. You want some intense flavors going on, all right? And there we have it. And I think we need to taste it first. See how it fares. Oh yeah. I get the pears right away. I'm ready to do it. And the rosemary, it's there too. Wow, Pear City. Pear City! It's really good. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna grab a little piece of fresh rosemary here. I'm gonna pop that in. And I have some pear bitters. And we're just gonna put in a few little dashes there. And shake her up a bit. And try it one more time. Oh, now I'm getting the rosemary right off the bat. Yeah, it's powerful stuff, man. Oh yeah, that's there. It's not overly sweet, and it's just pumping itself out with pears. You can't go wrong with this. So, in a little while, we're gonna make another cocktail with our wonderful pear, ginger, rosemary syrup, and it's gonna be marvelous. You wait and see. Cheers. Cheers. Oh, wait a minute. You know what I forgot again? I forgot to fortify this because we want to get, 2 weeks, a month out of this. And I'm thinking, instead of vodka, I'm going to try a little gin. Just for a change of pace. You don't need a lot. You don't need a lot at all. And you know what? We're going to have to try this again. Ah! Here we go. Oh, much better with gin. Cheers. I'm on Patreon now. Yeah, for just a few dollars a month, you get access to things that nobody else sees. You get bloopers, you get podcasts, newsletters, and sneak peeks. You get a whole whack of stuff that you're gonna love. So become one of my booze hounds and help support the show. This stuff gets expensive, and every little bit goes back into the show. Thanks in advance. Thanks for watching. If you like what you just saw, hit that subscribe button down there. It doesn't cost you anything, and you'll be supporting us. How wonderful would that be? Thank you.